Hey, what's up? I'm Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and I'm here with Jose Rivera today. What's up, Jose?
Hey, what's going on? What's going on, meathead?
So we're out here at the Traffic and Conversion Summit. Jose actually lives down here in San Diego, and I ran into, I actually hit him up. I said, listen, let's get on a chat. Jose and I are actually going to China in May.
Yeah, May.
So
Exciting.
Jose, let's tell everyone why they should listen to you. What do you know that maybe the viewers out there don't know?
Well, I mean, the world's changing, right? I mean, e-commerce right now is, I believe the world's changing into the people's economy, where now the people have the power to sell products. There's so many niches, that really Walmart can't focus on, creating a community around all their products, such as fishing, such as, survival products. And right now, the people, us internet marketers, we have the ability to create communities on Facebook and find products in China which are very cheap. I mean, products from anywhere from 50 cents all the way up to $1.50. We're able to get those products really cheap and then just sell them. Build communities on social media and sell.
So we buy them cheap. I'm going to China. I don't even know where I'm going. You just told me to book your flight to here. I said okay.
Yep. We're going to Yiwu. We're actually going to one of the largest marketplaces in the world, located in Yiwu, China. And it's crazy, man. I mean, you really need probably a good 3 months to go through that whole facility.
So the 1 week we're there, we're only gonna touch and scratch the surface.
Yeah, we're just gonna go through we're just gonna go through a few sections. We're gonna just look at, what's great about going to these markets. It kind of tells us what people all around the world are currently buying, right? Because you'll start noticing that a lot of shops are selling the same thing. So then you start asking them, hey, are these really selling? And they'll tell you which items are popular, selling not only in the U.S., but
right.
I mean all around the world.
So is this something that maybe we could potentially find a product that's not popular here yet, that's already going on over there, that we bring it over? You know what I'm saying?
Something that's popping in, let's say Europe, or in the Spanish markets. We can bring that. We can sell that all over the world. So
and through Facebook advertising, Google pay-per-click, whatever, we could potentially blow it up.
Yes.
And build a funnel.
Right now there's a lot of opportunity. There's a lot of opportunity, especially with social media, creating these communities on social media. Because here's the analogy I give. When somebody buys a TV, I mean, before we used to get sold marketing through infomercials. That's how we were sold. There was just through infomercials. There was really no transparency, but now you have social media.
Right.
So now somebody would go on Facebook. Let's say you were buying the new Sony TV. You go to Facebook. Hey guys, I'm buying the new Sony TV. Should I buy this TV? Somebody can say, hey, you know what? Forget Sony. Go to Sally's TV Shack, because Sally offers a lifetime warranty. Her customers love her. You can see all her raving fans. There's social media proof. That's the future of selling. It's no longer what you say about your product or what companies say about their product, but what other people are saying about their product.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And right now you can build communities on social media for cheap.
So that's
just think about something you're passionate about, whether it be magic or
I know you like your magic.
Yeah, I like magic, so that's one of the.
So would you say start a Facebook group, or would you actually just go out and create a fan page?
I would first create a fan page, and then I would start, I would create a fan page around, let's say, survival. That's one of the niches that I'm in. I would start posting, content around survival, and then every certain post, I would also create a promotion. And just think about what survivalists are buying. I mean, you can go into Amazon.com and you can go into the survival category and see what products are being sold. And then you can go either on a trip with my guy over here to China and find all the hottest selling products there is.
Yeah. So tell the viewers, you have a little bit of a past history with business and stuff. What is your kind of claim to fame? You had a company, right?
Yeah, I've got actually quite a few claim to fame. So I've been in the industry for a while. I got started in 2005 and 2007. I worked for Donald Trump. I ran his lead marketing, his marketing for his mortgage company called Trump Mortgage. Shortly after that, what was after that? Okay, so I became one of the largest advertisers on MSNBC.com, spending $100,000 a day in advertising, promoting weight loss nutraceuticals. After that, we created one of the largest marketing seminars called the Magic Bullet. And then after that,
that was the one you did with Frank, right?
Yeah, that's the one we did with Frank
Kern. We're talking about,
and my buddy Amish Shah. After that, I was always big into e-commerce, so we created a few years ago a candle company, which is now currently doing over 40 million a year, called Fragrant Jewels.
But you sold that, right?
Yep. So we got rid of that, and now we just do. We have various niches that we sell products in, such as survival, cosmetics, and
you got a warehouse in the States too, right?
Correct. We have a warehouse in Texas.
Your brother or something kind of runs that for you?
My family's involved. My brother and my nephews, they all work at the warehouse. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
Well, man, that's awesome, dude. I really appreciate you spending a couple minutes with me. If there's like one tip you could like give the user base, what is it? I kind of gathered like you start a niche.
One tip is sell what's selling.
Sell what's selling.
Yeah, sell what's selling.
Find the hot products. Use some of the tools out there to.
Don't try to reinvent the wheel. I mean, look at the products that are selling in hot markets too. It's right. Find a hot market. Figure out what they want. It's a 3-step formula. Find a hot market. Then you go figure out what they want, and then you just give it to them.
Just give it to them.
How do you find a hot market? Go to Barnes and Nobles. Look at the magazine section, right? You'll have golfing magazines. You'll have fitness magazines. You'll have makeup magazines. Those are hot markets, right? Then figure out what are they buying. Go to Amazon.com and look at the bestseller categories within each one of those niches, and then look for those products through various platforms such as AliExpress or going to China.
AliExpress. I know there's some tools out there. Someone always brings up Jungle Scout. I know they mentioned today that must be one of the ones to find products. I don't typically do at Amazon, but have you heard of that particular tool?
I have heard of that. I haven't used it, but I have heard of that.
I think that's one to find hot products.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, I appreciate it, bro. I'm looking forward to the trip to China.
You're welcome,
man, it's awesome. I'm excited. Hopefully, when I come back, we can really kick off this e-com business. I'm tuning up my Facebook marketing. I just put a campaign on online. I'm doing like a 7 follow along, 7-week follow along, and it's going pretty well. We're making some money, and now we're gonna take it into e-com.
There you go. Awesome. All right, guys.
Thank you. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.